In the tumultuous year of 1862, as the American Civil War raged on, President Abraham Lincoln found himself confronted with a crisis that would shake the very foundations of his nation. The war, ignited by the secession of Southern states, had plunged the United States into a conflict that seemed to have no end in sight. Yet, amidst the chaos, Lincoln, a man of great empathy and a firm belief in the equality of all men, saw a glimmer of hope. He understood that the war was not just about states' rights, but about the fundamental question of human freedom. On January 1, 1863, Lincoln signed the Emancipation Proclamation. This historic document declared that all slaves in the rebellious states were to be set free. It was a bold, decisive move, one that would forever change the course of American history. The proclamation was a strategic move, designed to undermine the Confederacy's economy, which relied heavily on the labor of enslaved individuals. However, its true impact went far beyond the battlefield. It was a moral statement, a pronouncement that the United States would no longer tolerate the institution of slavery. The proclamation was met with a mix of reactions. In the North, it was celebrated as a triumph for justice and humanity. In the South, it was met with defiance and anger, further fueling the fire of the Civil War. Yet, the Emancipation Proclamation was not a complete end to slavery. It only applied to slaves in the Confederate States, and it did not have the force of law. It would take the passage of the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments to fully abolish slavery and ensure equal rights for all. However, the Emancipation Proclamation was a crucial turning point in American history. It marked a decisive moment in the fight for freedom, a moment that would forever change the course of the Civil War and the United States as a whole. It was a testament to Lincoln's leadership and his steadfast belief in the principles of freedom and equality. Today, the Emancipation Proclamation stands as a reminder of the power of courageous leadership, the importance of standing up for what is right, and the enduring struggle for freedom and equality in America. It is a story that continues to inspire, a story that continues to shape our nation.